Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake City Local, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distance means starting fresh with most of the things that make our daily lives more comfortable. When you move a long way, you need new doctors, new grocery stores, new dry cleaners, and new schools for your children. There are many inconveniences associated with the move or away from Lake City. So if you can ease the stress of the move itself, you should. One way to make that relocation less difficult is by finding the best company to help you. 3 Movers is a highly reliable mover with a favorable rating among our past customers. We can simplify your relocation by offering the services you need at a price that won't keep you up at night. Our trustworthy crews will give you the peace of mind to take care of the other things on your to-do list, like finding a new veterinarian for the family pet. Local moves are usually defined as relocation projects that can be finished in one day. For community movers, this is easier to do if you know the area. Our 3 Movers facility in Lake City is staffed with moving professionals familiar with the area. They won't waste time getting to your home or office or finding the new one. You won't have to pay extra for a crew coming a long way when you call us. Our representatives will come to your home or business if you are planning an office or other commercial move and review the specifics of your project in order to provide a precise estimate of the time that it will take and cost of the job. We know you will be happy with our work, and we hope you will tell your friends and family. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake City Local moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.